Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the bookmark default color in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a fantastic way to organize your documents visually, making it easier to distinguish between different sections or categories at a glance. Let's dive right in and get your bookmarks looking exactly how you want them. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, navigate to Recent Files. Here you'll see a list of PDFs you've worked with recently. Go ahead and select the PDF file where you want to change the default color of bookmarks. This step ensures you're working with the correct document before making any customizations. Now that your PDF is open, look toward the upper left toolbar. Click on Menu, and from the drop-down options, select View. This will open another set of choices. From there, click on Show/Hide, which reveals additional panel options. Next, select Side Panels, and then click on Bookmarks. This sequence of actions opens the Bookmarks panel, giving you full access to all the bookmarks within your document. Once the panel appears, you'll notice all your bookmarks displayed in the upper right section of your screen. These bookmarks represent different sections or points of interest in your PDF. To change the color of a specific bookmark, right-click on the bookmark you want to modify. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens a dialog box where you can customize various aspects of your bookmark. In the Properties dialog box, navigate to the section labeled Color. Right beside it, you'll see a color picker. Click on this color picker to reveal a palette of available colors. Choose your preferred color from the palette. This is where you can get creative and assign colors that make sense for your workflow or visual preferences. Once you've selected the color you like, click OK to apply the change. The bookmark will now reflect your chosen color. If you have multiple bookmarks that need color changes, simply repeat these steps for each one. This process allows you to create a color-coded system that makes navigating your PDF much more intuitive and efficient. After you've finished customizing all your bookmark colors, make sure to save your work. In the upper right corner of the screen, click the Save button. This ensures that all your changes are preserved and will be there the next time you open the document. And there you have it.